On behalf of our research team of Axis Securities, we'll talk about the market outlook. Firstly, Indian industry is expected to open on a flat note and focus will be on quarterly earnings, domestic data releases and outcome of Karnataka elections during the week. SGX Nifty is trading lower 0.06%. Results today: Hindustan Unilever, Abbott India, Blue Star, Bombay Dyeing, Lalpath Labs, Godrej Agrovet, KC International, South Indian Bank. Also, Forex results fall $1.43 billion to $419 billion in a week to May 4. On the corporate front, Ashoka Buildcon has executed concession agreement with NHAI for Rs 1687 crore project. Westlife Development has announced that it plans to put 25 stores in FY19. Also, Ahluwalia Contracts has secured new orders aggregating Rs 390 crores. One of the major events this week would be Karnataka elections. Markets are positioning for a risk event this week. A poor showing for the ruling party could elicit market correction. However, the results are in line with opinion polls. The market could see some relief trades. The equity markets on the other hand have had favorable micro dynamics to thank. Then again, just improving earnings is not good enough to lift equities, so an improvement is largely factored in. What can shift sentiments for the better are a couple of quarters of secular earning beats, which is possible if banks get cleaned up and the rural boost is better than expected. For the 62 companies that have announced their Q4 results thus far, revenue has been broadly in line with expectations. However, earnings have missed their estimates, dragged down by large private banks on deteriorating asset quality and with that to its higher tax expenses. On the technical front, Nifty started the week on a flat note and traded with extreme volatility on either side for most part of the week. However, last session buying momentum pulled index higher to a close in green. Nifty closed at 10,807 with a gain of 188 points on a weekly basis. Chart pattern suggests that Nifty crosses and sustains about 10,820 levels. It would witness buying, which will lead index to 10,880 to 10,950 levels. However, if index breaks below 10,700 levels, it would witness selling, which will lead index to 10,630 to 10,600 levels. Stocks looking strong: PTG, Thermax, HPCL, Minda Industries, eClerx, LT, Kolpal, Infosys. Stocks looking weak: Bharti Airtel, Radico, PNB, ACC, Titan. USD are open with a downward cap. However, buying momentum at lower levels pull it higher to India day's high. USD are closed at 67.44 with a loss of 0%. Chart pattern suggests that if USD crosses sustains above 67.5 levels, it will witness buying, which would lead USD to a 67.6 to 67.7 levels. However, if USD breaks below 67.3 levels, it would witness selling, which would take USD to a 67.2 to 67.1 levels. On the derivatives front, Nifty futures closed at 10,820.1 on a positive note, with 4.19% increase in open interest indicating long build-up. FIs were net buyers in derivative segment to the 651 crores. Among stock futures, PTC, Bajaj, Nation Paints and UBL witnessed long build-up and which will sell in coming session. Stocks which witnessed short build-up are Ambuja Cement, Idea, Just Dial and will be in coming session. So this is from our end. Thank you.